All right, today we're talking about how technology is shaking up the way we learn, especially in physics.
Yeah, we've all felt this, right? Staring at a textbook, totally lost. This quote just nails it.
You remember those old textbooks, right? It was like trying to understand a hurricane from a single photo.
And that creates a real disconnect. You're always switching between the book and some website. It's distracting.
Okay, let's use a classic example to see what I mean. Vectors. They are absolutely everywhere in physics. So a scalar is simple. It's just a number, like speed. But vectors add direction into the mix. Textbooks show you this. Vectors split into x and y parts. But how do you actually feel that?
Yeah, the whole point is to go from just seeing a picture to actually, getting it. Sometimes a simple story can make all the difference. Let's try one out.
Okay, picture this. You're pulling a dog's leash. The pull goes up and to the right, right? So that one single pull is really two forces combined. One pulling up, another pulling to the right.
Here's another cool way to think about it. Imagine the vector is casting a shadow.
So shine a light from the top. That shadow on the ground, that's your horizontal x component. Now shine a light from the side. The shadow on the wall, that's the vertical y component.
So these analogies are great, but you're still jumping out of the textbook to find them, right?
This is where it gets really cool. What if the textbook itself could actually teach you this stuff? Well, check this out. It's called augmented physics. It literally brings textbook diagrams to life with simulations.
It pulls figures off the page and lets you play with them. It's basically a physics lab in a book. This gives you all these ways to interact, like animating the diagrams or linking values directly to them.
And this finally closes that gap. The interactive stuff is right there on the page, not somewhere else. So we're moving from just passively reading to actively doing, from one size fits all to something totally personal. The big takeaway here isn't that textbooks are dead. It's that they're evolving into these powerful, dynamic tools. It really makes you wonder, right? If any book can become a lab, what does tomorrow's classroom even look like?